You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, meaning really nice to meet you, or just simply nice to meet you. This literally means enchanted to meet you, essentially. Enchanté is the French pronunciation. Now, if you were a girl or a woman, you'd add an E at the end, but the pronunciation doesn't change. Enchanté, enchanté. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly like this, you can simply say enchanté. Enchanté would be how English speakers would say it. Enchanté, or in French, enchanté. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.